greet you all. My name is Babola Mapala, also known as Monkey. I'm standing in front of you representing the group of Amakosazana Mangwane. The group of Amakosazana Mangwane is specialized on virgin girls who love themselves, respect themselves, honor themselves, and love their cultures. Because many people have forsake their cultures and forgot who they are. So it will be an honor for you to help us because we need hoodies, t-shirts, our attire skirts, and also heaters. In winter, we do not have heaters, and when we camp, we get cold. So if you could help us with heaters, it will be grateful. We also need beads. These beads, these beads, and we also need the red t-shirt, the white vest, the white skirt. This is our white skirt, and this is our red skirt. We also have a t-shirt, but I don't have a t-shirt to show you because no one in our group has it, because we have come from different families, so other families don't afford them and others afford them. So in our group there's no one who has a t-shirt. We also need hoodies because in winter we need hoodies, and we are going to Umhlanga. So thank you and stay blessed. May God bless you. Bye.